Today, we will be learning about the Jigsaw Method. When using the Jigsaw Method, teachers make students responsible for one another's learning. It helps them with identifying purpose and important concepts in text. They are then able to assist each other with reporting information that was gained. While in groups, students will then be able to discuss, learn, and complete a task related to a specific topic. There are 4 steps in which every teacher should follow when using the Jigsaw Method. Number 1, students are assigned into same topic or expert groups. Number 2, each expert group meets to strengthen each other's understanding in preparation for the Jigsaw group. Step 3, Jigsaw groups are formed with one representative from each expert group. Number 4, each student contributes information about their topic to the Jigsaw group. Students are then able to read, question, and understand on their own, but will also be able to share their reading and understanding with others in the expert groups. In addition, they will be assisted by other students in their base groups and tutored whenever necessary. Each student is a member of 2 groups, a home group and an expert group. Home groups meet and each student is given a different task according to teacher direction. Students move to their expert groups to be able to complete their task. All students in the expert group are reviewing the same topic. Students will then return to their home groups. They are then to teach what was learned in their expert group to their home group members. For example, if we were going over the unit plant life cycle, I would have in my home group student blue go over parts of a plant, student orange types of a plant, student red plant life cycle, and student green materials needed for growing your own plant. Students will break off into their expert groups. Once they return to their home group, they will be able to teach each other on the topics that they were assigned. The jigsaw procedure makes each student in their home group responsible for the comprehension of all other students in the group. English learners rely on the support of others in their expert group and are then able to receive support for language and concept development. Under the English language proficiency standards, students are able to share information, express opinions, ideas, and feelings, narrate, describe, and explain, and adapt spoken language appropriately for formal and informal purposes. The Jigsaw Method provides all learners with a maximum amount of support for reading in the content areas.